Help me fix this problem. Absolutely. Could you describe the problem in detail? Is it a technical issue, a math problem, a coding error, or something else? This answer isn't wrong. It's just impossible to do anything with. Let me show you in this episode how to work with these limits. Aloha, everyone. This is Gavin. Today, we're going to talk about the limits of AI. So, AI is powerful. It indeed is, but it has its limits. And if you don't understand those limits, you're going to get frustrated or worse, misled. So, today I'm going to show you what AI cannot do for you. In the last episode, we talked about how better questions lead to better answers. But even with great questions, there are boundaries. There are things only you can bring to the table: your judgment, your experience, your context, your instincts. AI is a partner, but it's not a replacement for your brain. Okay, I'm now going to talk about the limits of AI. There are actually five of them. Ready for this? Limit number one: AI cannot read your mind. People think AI knows what they mean. It really doesn't. It only really knows what you typed. Let me give you a couple examples here: vague goals, missing context, hidden assumptions. If you don't articulate your problem clearly, AI was there. It's just going to go in and fill in those gaps with guesses. And those guesses are often wrong, trust me. Limit number two: AI has no real world awareness. AI doesn't know your environment. It doesn't know your company. It doesn't know your constraints, your culture, your relationships, unless you tell it. AI isn't sitting in the meeting with you. It doesn't see emotion, politics, fear, pressure, or team dynamics. You have to bring it the context. AI will then bring the acceleration. Limit number three: AI cannot replace your judgment. AI can give you opinions and it can give you options, but it can also give you explanations. It cannot tell you, however, what's right for your situation. Let me give you a few examples here as well. Choosing between two job opportunities, deciding how to structure a team, navigating conflict, determining business risk tolerances. AI doesn't understand consequences. It doesn't carry the responsibility, but you do. Limit number four: AI is only as good as the data it was trained on. Now, think about that. AI patterns come from the internet, which means it can repeat bias, it can regurgitate outdated practices, it can be confidently wrong, it can hallucinate or simulate situations. This is why your own experience matters. AI provides possibility, you provide direction. Limit number five, the last one: AI cannot replace human grit. AI can generate ideas, however, but it can't get you to show up. It can't make you practice. It can't make you better unless you want to get better. The effort, the discipline, the curiosity, that's still on you. AI is a bit of a superpower, but it's really not motivation. The motivation part, well, that's human. Okay, now how do you work with these limits? I'm going to share with you three clean principles on how to do this. Number one: treat AI as a collaborator, not a crutch. It helps you think, it will not think for you. Number two: bring context, constraints, and clarity. This is your role in the partnership. Number three: use AI to accelerate, not avoid effort. AI multiplies whatever you put in. Okay, as we close up here, in the next episode, we're going to talk about the learning mistakes almost everyone makes with AI. Not because they're careless, but because no one ever taught them how to use it properly. If you want AI to make you better instead of dependent, that episode really is going to matter. As always, mahalo, and I'll see you at the next episode.